Welcome to your next car. Quick walk around video of the 2017 430D Coupe we have in. This is the X-Drive model, so it's all-wheel drive. Fitted with the Your Next Car body styling pack. This one's quite unique, so it's been colour coded, so you can see the bottom of the front lip is body colour, and the canards are gloss black to go with the sidebars. Let's have a look around. Xenon headlights to the front. Conditions very tidy. We've also fitted these 20-inch alloys bi-colour, which is staggered, so wider on the rear, give it a really aggressive look. And the bi-colour rear diffuser, gloss black rear spoiler. This is a lower tax bracket, so this was pre-May registered, so you won't be hit with the higher road tax on this one. Split folding rear seats, privacy glass. Let's take a look at the inside. Black Dakota leather. Electric front seats with driver's memory. Got the blue accents on the side. Aluminium dash with the blue running through it. The M Sport colour. 8-speed paddle shift. Professional widescreen sat nav. This is the updated iDrive version as well. Let's take a look at the maps there. We've got all sorts of different playbacks. You've got Bluetooth media. You're able to record CDs on this as well with the hard disk drive. Got the USB as well. It's got 51,000 miles. Look at the condition of the rear seats, very tidy. Doesn't appear to have been smoked in, and definitely no pets. So I normally pick up on those, and here's the service history for you. All done at the main dealer. Thanks for watching.